So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you remember in my previous video when I was talking about the right indicators to use when it comes to forex trading, especially trading gold versus USD. Because most 90% of traders, when they lose their money, they end up coming to tell you that gold is a scam, this one don't trade gold, gold is a scam, which is a lie. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to be to draw your support and your resistance. You understand? If you can see, if you can see this is our support, you understand, because price have not been able to break through here, you understand, and this is our resistance, because as you can see all year price have not been able to break through. And if you can see, I believe that this is still a ranging market, because it's going on a bullish, you understand. So we are going to wait now, because most people now, because of they see the ADS is showing that bullish is 20 and bearish is 13, while the ADS is saying 27.82, which is a strong trend, which I can put it as a strong trend, which is showing that bulls are more control. So what you do now, as you can see now, this is going down to, this our demarker is going down to 0.118, which is showing that is, and the up is 0.251. So we are going to wait now, because take this trade now, you are going to lose your money, you understand, because the market, you see how it's going, it was going up, it's going down, so you're not too sure. So let us check our top down analysis. Let's see what the bigger time frame, what the big boys are doing in the market. So our first 1 month, this is our 1 month chart now in gold versus USD. When we check the ADS is showing 80.32, 43.54 and 1.44, to show you that this is a very strong trend, showing that bulls are in controls, that is currently on uptrend. As you can see, I was also talking about my parabolic stars. You see that the parabolic stars is below below the candle, which is showing, which is just like a dynamic support, you understand, following the uptrend, and it's also a dynamic resistance, you understand, following the downtrend. So as you can see now, you see that our parabolic stars, you understand. So this is the why in when we use top down analysis, we check the top, we check to know what who are in controls of the market. Then we will now go down to the weekly, you understand. So when we go down to the weekly now, you see that the ADS is suggesting that is 61.97, 51.49. See the ADS here, the where this white line is going, and 4.37, which is showing you that the bulls are in control. But as you can see, you're seeing that it's gone on a small correction, you understand. I see it here, it's going on a small correction. Then we now go to the 1 day time frame. Then this 1 day time frame, you're seeing that it's showing that you see 61.99, very strong trend, 29.95 and 12.74, to show you that bulls are in control of the market, you understand. Bulls are in control of the market. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame, where we are going to be taking our market execution. So as you can see now, I don't know, this is trying to form a doja candle, where you see that the price is going 50-50, you understand. So this is going to say that I believe that price is going to break this resistance, you understand. So I'm going to wait patiently, and it can also go on a correction and go down, because since it's forming a doja candle in form of these three candles, it can also go down. But the overall trend is a bullish trend, so it will still break this resistance. It might not happen today, it might reach tomorrow. So as you can see, the 4 hours is where we do our market execution. If you look at it, you see our support here, and you see our resistance here. And if you look at it, you see that this is a very strong support, because you know why this is a very strong support, because this is in the 4,002.75. And since the time gold have started, gold have not been a gold can never break below 4,000. You understand? Looking at the market, looking at it, if you see this support is still strong, they tell you that gold have not broke the support, to tell you that gold have not gone 300 and 3,000 something. You understand? This is a very strong support. This red line here is showing us that this is a very strong support, and this is a very strong resistance, as you can see. So we are going to wait. You understand? Most people, as they see here like this, being confused, as they see the market going like this, they'll just be taking their trade and they will end up be losing. So I think the market is in a point of consolidation, or is retracement. You understand? So it will still go back to the overall trend, which is bullish. So we're going to hold this trade. We are not going to take a trade now, because this is 50-50. This is a doja candle. So we're going to just leave it, and we're going to wait. We are going to wait for the price to break this resistance. As soon as the price breaks this resistance and go up, then we'll take our trade. That is a clear sign that that is a clear sign that is a bullish trend. You understand? So my advice for you, my students, right, my student watching this video, do not take trade here. Do not take trade. Even though you're saying it's going up, don't take trade here. You understand? Because you can see price will just playing in this support, and we're forming something like a ranging market. So let us wait for a clear breakout. Let's break above, or let it break above, because we know that it can never break below. This is good. Some gold have been in an uptrend for up to a year now, so it's not possible. I've shifted this support. Let me put it back to where it was. And this is where it was. And so we're going to wait. As you can see, it's going up, and maybe by tomorrow it might break this. It might break this resistance, or it might go down a bit. When it goes down, it will still come up and break it, because the overall monthly and weekly top down analysis is telling us that this is a bullish market. And gold, I don't even need to talk, we already know gold is a bullish market. You understand? So we're going to wait. So these are the indicators I was talking about. The RSI, you understand, from 47, I think this is kind of neutral. You understand? Because 30 is showing sell, and from here, and YCC, I don't know whether 60 or 65 is now showing buy, and 70, from 70 and above is overbought. You understand? To show that there's a very, very strong trend. While we have our parabolic SARS, which act as a dynamic support and dynamic resistance. You understand? And we also use the marker. You understand? The marker is to show us where the market is. I don't know, forgotten what is the marker does. You understand? And we also have the ADS, which is to show us the how strong the trend is, if it's a strong trend, a weak trend. So I think I'm going to be adding what to call I'm going to be adding the moving average. I don't know. So that's I always tell you, always add moving average. You can make it 21, but for me, I just want it simple. You understand? I want it simple. I just want it simple. So this is the default settings. You understand? So just press done, and as you press done, you see our moving average. I see our moving average is wants to go up, to tell you. See, if you see it was going down. This was a dynamic resistance, and as you can see, it's going down, it's going below the candle, to show you, going below the candle, to show you that this is a bullish trend. The market is going up. So we are just waiting now for the market to reach this parabolic. Anything that make this green candle, if the other candle is going to form, that to reach this parabolic size, this green dot here, then we are going to take our trade. And if you see this parabolic size is now going to come down, to show that is a clear resistance. You understand? It's going to come down to show that it's a clear, it's a clear support. Sorry, I made a mistake. This, as is here now, is showing us that this is a downtrend. You understand? That because no candlestick are able to hit it. As you can see, why am I just moving? What is doing me now? What is wrong with this thing? This thing should stay in place now. It's more than 4 8, not more than 4 8. Supposed to be here. 4 2. So If another candle now comes out, which I believe that is going, as you can see, it will soon break this this um this resistance, and the resistance will become a support. So even though it breaks this resistance now and it reach this price you're seeing here, that is 4181, this price here 4181, don't still take your trade, you understand, don't still take, because this thing happened to me and I lost a lot of money. Because if you see that it broke this resistance here, I seen it broke it at the time, it was here, you see, broke it and came down, which is to show us that it was a fake breakout. And you see that these other ones have not been able to break this resistance and support. So we are going to wait only if the candle can go above this parabolic SARS, then we are going to take our buy 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 trade we are going to take a buy, or we are going to go long in gold, you understand. So this is it for today. I just did the video to show you my live chart, you understand, to show you how to be to draw your resistance. You draw your resistance where price fail to break out, and you draw your support where price fail to break out. As you can see, you understand, see for yourself, see the resistance up here and you see the support, and you see all the technical indicators, the 10 moving average, the parabolic stars I'm using for my trade, you understand. So this is it for today. So I'm going to wait. So if it break above this and hit the parabolic stars, I'm going to do a video where I'm going to take my buy trade, or I'm going to go long on gold versus USD. So this is what a lot of people miss out. You understand? This as you can see, this have been going on for close to 3 days now. As you can see, I've been running away from the market because entering the market as it does not show a clear breakout, either down or up, which it cannot go down. Let us not say down, it cannot go down. Gold have never reached this 4,000. You understand? You can see it was a resistance here. So I don't believe gold will never reach here. You understand? It's not possible. But we know that gold can pass this resistance. It's possible. But I don't think it's going to happen today. It's going to take time, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow. But I know that it's going to break this resistance and we're going to take our buy trade. You understand? So why I say that most traders come and say there's no money, you cannot make money in gold, there's no money in gold, because they don't understand anything. And that's why I always tell you, you cannot reap where you did not sow. You can never reap where you did not sow. Even the Bible say you study to make thyself approve. When you don't study, how will you approve? When you don't study your technical analysis, that's why I tell you, improve in your technical analysis, because when you improve in your technical analysis, that's only when you can become profitable. When you use indicator and you don't depend on one indicator, you use plenty indicator, use top down analysis to know where the big boys, where the market, where the huge funds, where the institution at, if is the buyers or the sellers in control. Understand? So this is it. As you can see, this is it. Most people now we see that as is here now, they want to take their trade. They say that since is already showing us three bullish candle, and we already know that today or tomorrow is going to break here, or it's going to go down. When it goes down, it will still come up back. You understand? We're just going on a retracement, going on some corrections these days. So it's not because of a see red candle now, you start taking sell. You take like this, you will lose your money. You understand? Or sometimes you can also get your money because this red candle can go down. So you take this trade here, you can get money for the small. As you can see, it's going down. I see it's going down. The price is going down. Is the sellers are pushing the bulls down. The bulls is also pushing it up. You see what is happening here? So this is not a good spot to take your trade. If not, you will regret your life and you will blow your account. You understand? Because we don't know who is controlling the market now. Because as you can see, the bulls are trying to push it up, but the bears are pushing it down. You understand? So this is it for today. I just say, let me just answer most of your question, and this is how to draw a support and resistance. And in case if you don't even know how to draw, the support and resistance. Just be using this parabolic stars, you understand. If green candle reaches parabolic stars, then take your buy. If red candle hits it down, if red candle hit it down, as you can see, see that this, as you can see, look where this white arrow, as you can see, this red candle hit this green parabolic side. As you can see, it came up here to show you that it's a downtrend, and indeed it was a downtrend. You understand? See a downtrend. But as you can see, the 10 moving average is telling us that it will go up because it have curved like this. You understand? And it can also happen that this red candle can also hit this moving average, go down and still go up as it's doing now. You see how it's going down. So this is it for today. So my advice for my students in my telegram channel and in my students following me, this is not the best time to take a trade. Run away from this market for now. If it's going to do like this for today, run away. Only take the trade if the market show you a clear breakout. You understand? If you break out up or down, then we take our trade. You understand? So this is it for today. Make sure you follow me, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget that this is Joe FX. You can watch my videos on TikTok. You can also type Joe FX, that is my name. You can also watch my videos on YouTube. You type Joe FX, and on Facebook Starboy. You understand? I'm your Starboy. You understand? And in case if you want me to trade for you, I trade from $100 to $100,000. So in case you're interested, you can message me on TikTok. Message me on TikTok. My number is on my description on TikTok, and my number is also in the description in my Facebook, so you can call me there. Understand? You can call me there. As you see now, you see that the sellers are pushing this price down. I seen it. Before it was 41 41. I seen that moved down to 41 20 27. So most people can take advantage and start taking trade, but me, I will not advise you to take this trade because hmm, 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 hmm. Wait for a clear breakout. Don't be impatient when it comes to be patient when it comes to gold. So I always be on profit. You understand? It's not every time you just see small thing you want to do, small thing you want to do, small thing you want to do. Don't do like that. Oh. You don't do like that. So as you see sef, it moved from 41 20 20 24. You can see that the bulls now push to 41 30. So if you put your stop loss around here, you see how you will just blow your account. So wait for a clear confirmation, you understand? So this is all for today. In case you want me to trade for you, most importantly, if you want me to trade for you, I trade for $100 to $100,000. My number is on the description, so you can just DM me and I'll trade for you. And if you want me to teach you, you understand, you can also DM me for one-on-one class. Understand? That will be from $100. My VIP signal class $200. So it's left for you. So this is all. Make sure you like this video, share this video. Understand? I repost my videos. Thank you. Bye.